Hey, what is going on, guys? Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to cut out an image on Adobe Photoshop. So first you want to go ahead and open up Adobe Creative. Then you're going to open up Photoshop. Then you're going to let it load. After you let that load, you're going to go to Create New. Then you're going to pick what custom thing you want to do. I'm just going to use it as default, and I'm just going to move it to blank. Then you're going to go to Create. Then you want to go right here, and whatever picture you get off your browser, drag it out here, and then you're gonna hold down on it and drag into this. Then after that, you want to go to your moving tool right here, and then you want to go to your quick selection tool. Then you're gonna go to the main one right here. Then after that, you're gonna start from the corner of your picture or anywhere. Then you're just gonna keep moving up until it fully outlines it. If you have another picture that's kind of weird looking, just outline it as much as you can. So after you've done that, you're gonna go to this subtract from selection. Then you're gonna try to get all the white out of the cutout. So just keep doing that, like I'm doing. And if you mess up, go to your add selection. Then you're just going to add it back, and then you're going to subtract it again. So after you think you've done a good job, go ahead and go to your moving tool. Then you're going to, on your keybind or your keyboard, you're going to hold down Central, and you're going to press C. Then you're going to hold Central again, and then you're going to press V. After you've done that, you're going to go, and you're going to hold this down with the moving tool, and you're going to move it out. I did a decent job. I kind of messed up on this part, this part, this part, and this part. But you'll get it eventually. It takes practice. So after you've done that, you're wondering what to do with this. You're just going to drag it down here. It won't affect the picture. So after you've done that, if you want to know how to resize it, you're going to get your moving tool. You're going to press on the cutout, and then you're gonna hold down Central, and then you're gonna press T. That will give you the ability to move it, or not move it, to resize it and rotate it. If you like this video, please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.